this is my DIY project. I'm going to show you guys how to make blooper. So today I'm going to show you how to make some custom glasses to celebrate your new year. This is the end of 2018 and I want to make some glasses for my grandbabies because I'm going to have a celebration on New Year's Eve. We're going to have a watch party. So I want to make us some glasses. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to grab me an image. Type in eyeglass template. And I want some round circular ones, and so this is the one that I want. I'm just going to click on it. And they came up with this little website that I found. They were really cute. So I'm going to click on it to download it. And then once I have it downloaded, I'm just going to do a screen capture of it. I'm just going to do the whole thing. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do a screen capture on a Mac, which is Daisy, Shift, and 4. Once I get the crossbars, I'm just going to do the crossbars all the way around it like so. And then I'm going to go back into Adobe Illustrator. And because I like to design using Adobe Illustrator and my Silhouette Connect, I'm going to show you how I do it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new document. I'm going to go File, New, which I've already done and I'm already opened. Now I'm going to place my document into Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to do that by going File, Place. I'm just going to click on the design that I want and place it in my document. And then there it is. Now that I have it in there, I want to do an image trace. And I've already image traced it, and I'm going to expand it. I'm going to take it off of my artboard for a second. So because I want to see where the white spaces are that I need to delete. I'm going to go to Object and Ungroup. Then once I do that, I'm just going to click away the things that I don't want. And I don't want that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this and I'm going to put it side by side because I'm going to merge them together. I'm going to blow it up just a little bit so I can see it. Then I'm going to put those two things together like so. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then I'm going to zoom out. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that they're exactly the same. So I'm going to group it for a second and then I'm going to center it on the page. And then I'm going to ungroup it just for a moment so that I can see where it is. I'm going to turn on my guides. And then the guides for the other one. Now the easiest way for me to have done it was to crop this in half and then to do it equally, then merge it back together, but that's okay. So I want to put this on here and let's see what that looks like. And I'm just going to draw an imaginary box just to make sure it's right because I know that's where this piece is. I'm just going to go and take that same little piece on the other side. And this is just me in my brain trying to organize it. And then I'm going to put it on, oops, I'm going to put it on this side. So that I can line it up like it should be. Now it's exactly the same. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Pathfinder and I'm going to merge it so that it is one piece so that when I cut it, it looks like that, one piece. And then I'm just going to go and type in 2019 and then I'm going to use copper black. Yep. 2019 and I'm going to blow this up to be about this. Then I'm automatically going to go and outline it because I already know what I want to do with it. And I'm just going to make it big because I have plans for this design here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. merge this together. Before I move on to the next step, I do want to make a modification to this. I did go ahead and outline that, but I'm going to ungroup it because I think it could be a little bit better when it comes to the placement. So I'm going to move that over and then move the 0 over a little bit, move the 1 down, and I'm also going to move the 9 down to be like that. And then I can have it some more where they touch a little bit more. But I definitely wanted to modify it just a tad bit. And now that I have it like I want it, now I'm going to go and I'm going to unite it. And I'm going to make sure it's correct by doing so, and it looks exactly like I want it. From here, I'm going to go and change my document size to be an 18 because I'm going to scale it a little bit. I don't know exactly what size I need it to be, so I'm just going to make my size to be an 18. Make my size to be an 18 and do it like so. And then from here, I'm going to send it to the silhouette by going to File, Silhouette Connect. And this tells me the placement that I want to have it. I'm going to change from copy paper. I'm going to change that to cardstock. And I'm going to do a double thick cardstock. I'm doing an automatic blade because I'm using the Silhouette 3. And it's going to change it, and I want to make sure it's on double cut. And then from here, I'm going to go and select Start. And then I'll see you on the other side. I added this tape just a little bit because this might be a little bit not as tacky as I want it. And here is the final product. All I'm going to do is just take a little bit on the sides and just fold it over because it's glitter paper. I don't have to worry about scoring it with the machine. I can hand score it just by folding it. And there it is. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell at the bottom for notifications so that you'll know when I post a new video.